Hello everyone, start off by leaving out two sections of the hair in the front, tie a ponytail at the back, and now begin to braid the hair as such. Now, make sure that you are tightly fastening your braid, tie a rubber band at the bottom once you are done with it, and loosen the sides of it using your fingers once you are done. Now roll this braid upwards and then make it into the shape. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place, taking the front section that you have left out. Divide it into two portions, wrap it one on top of the other as such. Loosen the sides using your fingers. Now once you have loosened the side, wrap it around the braid and then afterwards spin it up in place using a bobby pin. Now do the same for the other side as well. Wrap it around the back and then pin it up in place. Take these two decorative pins and then pin it up on either side at the top. Next, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Take a small portion of this ponytail and add a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself and now pull the rest of the ponytail through it. Now take another section of this ponytail, add a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself through the section and once again pull the rest of the ponytail through. Once again, take a small section of this ponytail, add a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself through the section and then pull the rest of the hair through the section as well. Do this until you reach the bottom and then once you reach the bottom, tie a rubber band to it and fold it upwards as such. Add a decorative pin to the bottom of it. Next, take a section of the hair from the left and the right side in the front and then quite literally make a knot of it at the back as such. Now add a rubber band to the base to fasten it in its place. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up underneath the first section that you have created and then add a rubber band to the base of it. Now continue to do so and then afterwards do this about 2 or 3 more times. Now taking the rest of the hair, gather it together and then begin to make a braid out of it. Make sure that the braid is tightly put. Add a rubber band to the base of it and now roll it upwards, lift it up, fold the end over and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now afterwards add a rubber band in the middle of it. Now roll the hair in on itself through this middle section, lift it up through the top and pull it through. Divide the hair into two parts and then, starting with the left side, begin to make a braid out of it. Now take two sections of the hair from either side of this braid and then begin to make it crisscross in the middle. This will be a fishtail braid. There, we take two sections of the hair from either side, make it crisscross in the middle and then join the opposite side accordingly. Do the same out of the other side. Now take a decorative clip, wrap the braids around the bun you've created at the top. Use your decorative clips in order to fasten it in its place. Next, in order to make this, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Take a small portion of this ponytail and then begin to make a fishtail braid out of it. Take sections from either side and make it crisscross in the middle of this and join the other side respectively. Make a fishtail braid out of the bottom section of it as well and then loosen one side of it by using your fingers and then loosen the other side as well. Join both the braids together and then roll it one on top of the other, make a bun out of it. Use a multiple prong pin to fasten it in its place. Next, take a section of the hair from the left side, begin to make a braid out of it and then as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Now continue to do it and then afterwards do it until you reach the other side. As you move from the left to the right side, the sections of the hair that you are taking will become thicker. Once you reach the other side, you may make a normal braid out of it at the bottom and then tie a rubber band to it, roll it upwards and pin it up in place. Fold the ends over, use a bobby pin to fasten it in its place, add a decorative clip at the top of it. Thank you for watching.